Packed full of character, real wood flooring brings an unmistakable feel of quality to any home. We're going to give you all the tips and tools you need to ensure you can successfully maintain your floors, making them that beautiful addition to your home for many years to come. We have two types of wood flooring, engineered wood and solid wood. And if cared for well, they will both last a lifetime. There are several steps you can take to keep your floor looking its best. The beauty of engineered wood is that it can take a little bit more of the daily wear and tear than solid wood, so you don't have to worry as much about guests coming in and out or little paws getting overexcited. A crucial element to keeping your wood flooring looking fresh is by keeping it as dry as possible. While an engineered floor may be better equipped to cope with varying moisture levels than a solid floor, it's still best not to allow it to get wet. So, when cleaning the floor, use as little water as possible and keep your mop slightly damp, not wet. Dust is also a big factor in keeping your wood flooring looking shiny and new. Unfortunately, dust can cause damage if it's allowed to build up, as it can cause tiny scratches over time. You can keep on top of this by brushing or vacuuming regularly, but also by putting down mats at the entrances and exits to your home. Solid wood flooring has been a household favourite for decades, thanks to its unique feel and character. However, keeping your solid wood floor in good condition requires a little bit of extra love. As with engineered wood, solid wood should be kept as dry as possible. It can handle the occasional water spill if it's immediately wiped away, but leaving it can encourage warping. The key difference here, though, is to reduce mopping to an absolute minimum. Instead, grab a soft bristled broom to keep your floors free of dirt. Another problem you may encounter is sunshine. Those calm Sunday mornings with the sun beaming through curtains is, whilst romantic, potentially damaging for your wood floors. It's best to keep solid wood floors out of the way of strong direct sunlight, otherwise you may face a bit of fading and discoloration. Now, lastly, we have cleaning. Between work, socialising and family, finding the time for a regular deep clean seems impossible. Luckily, you don't need to put your marigolds on each evening to keep the floors looking healthy. Instead, a quick dusting with a dry microfiber cloth or dry microfiber mop will do the job. However, if your floor starts to look a bit dull and tired, the best way to give it a new lease of life is to use a daily wood cleaner to bring back the shine. For both solid and engineered floors, we have oiled or lacquered finishes to help you preserve the life of your floor. For general cleaning, both of them require the average cleaning methods such as regular sweeping or vacuuming. Maintaining a wooden floor can require a little more looking after than other floor types. However, taking that extra time to properly care for your floor will mean that you'll be able to enjoy its undeniable natural beauty for years to come. For a more in-depth look into maintaining wood flooring and even more tips and tricks, head over to our website.